What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to name this organic compound. Here, as you see here, we have acid, organic acid in here, and here we have a phenolic group, and they're connected to each other by oxygen. So we are dealing with a type of ether. So let's call it, so we have, that's the acetic acid here. So let me write it here, acetic acid, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4-Dichlorophenoxy Acetic acid. So it's going to be 2 and 4-Dichlorophenoxy Acetic acid. So that's going to be the name of this organic compound. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.